Hi everyone, this is Shreen Purewal bringing you the latest real estate update here in Victoria, BC and Canada in general. All right, what's happening in the markets right now? Real estate, please watch my videos. I've been saying this for the last, as soon as I've started this channel, saying that real estate prices are inflationary in nature. Okay, Toronto's dropping. That's the condo part. Vancouver's dropping or cooling. It's not really dropping, it's cooling. That's the condo part. House on land. Now, forget about those markets. I kept telling you guys, Victoria's a different beast. It'll hold values, but it won't drop that much. What did we see this month's real estate statistics? The prices held. Prices held, and it actually went up compared to last year. So what I want to keep telling all my viewers out there, and I know maybe I'm annoying you guys a bit because I keep repeating myself, but I love you guys and I'm going to keep telling you guys this, is that as long as we have a monetary banking system where they can manipulate our money markets, and they keep getting involved, what's happening is we're in an inflationary environment. The money is continuously getting devalued. So the way to keep up with money continuously devaluing is you raise the prices. Inflation. What does that mean for real estate? You go and ask any builder, has the price of their construction supplies come down? No. Has it dropped? No. So how do you expect the home prices to drop? Because to replace that, it hasn't gone down. So let me ask you another question. Has the price of milk come down at the grocery store? No. So how do you expect the price of home prices to come down? You know, I know you guys are going to argue to say, listen, you can't compare milk to real estate, whatnot. I think the fundamentals, I know, the fundamentals of money are the same. And so when it comes to this real estate market we're in right now, the best, listen to Ray Dalio, one of the best fund managers in the US, in the world actually. Ray Dalio, a lot of these other fund managers and economists, what they're saying is that the best hedge against money devaluing all over the world, which the US is now doing with the new bill that they passed, the big fat beautiful bill. Sorry if I got it wrong, but what's happening is at an international level, the whole world, they're devaluing the currency because it's all based off of the US dollar, which is, we know, a lot of printed money. So Ray Dalio said that the best hedge in the world when you're uncertain of what's going on with your devaluing currency is what? Real estate, gold, silver, certain commodity assets. Okay? So what have I been saying? Guys, go watch my past videos. I always keep saying the best hedge against money devaluing is what? Real estate. Now, the reason why is condos cooling down? Even condos will go up in the future because to replace those condo buildings is going to keep going up in cost. So the value paid for it is going to either maintain the same or go up. You see, there's also another factor that plays into all of this, inflation and pricing and whatnot. The other factor that plays in is supply. There's still limited supply, in my opinion, of housing. So I'm not sure those condo prices will cool that much. There's still demand. But what's happening now is that some of these condo buildings are being affected by high strata fees or by insurance, fire insurance policies or earthquake insurance policies. So when you add up all the fees, you're like, man, it's cheaper for me to rent than it is to buy a condo. So why don't I rent? And that's a bit of the shift that's happening. Also, for investors who invest in these condos, they're like, my return on my investment isn't that great because for me to rent this unit out and pay the strata fees and pay the property taxes, it's not looking that great for me. So rather invest in house and land or in the stock market, or you know what, I'm just really not sure what's going on, buy gold or buy silver, which is also what's happening. So I always tell all my viewers this: when you want to know what's happening in the markets, in real estate, in anything, follow the money. And follow the money means follows the US stock exchange and US market, because that's the global financial hub for trading, for currency. Where money flows is where assets grow. We are right now in a bull market in the US. So all of a sudden, out of nowhere, with the big, fat, beautiful bill, things are getting pushed up, hyped up, and you're seeing, again, we're breaking all-time highs and record-breaking highs in Bitcoin, and because there's an influx of money coming in. In my opinion, again, when things move up too fast like this, it's a sign that you need to hedge. You need protection of some sort, because it's an emotional market. It's boom, going up, going up, going up. It's also a signal that money is moving out of something else, which I believe is out of currencies, because currencies now, there's a concern it's going to devalue, and it's rushing into the markets, assets, and real estate. Gold went up a bit. It's going into these assets, because these fund managers are not sitting on, like, let's say in our savings, we have 500, 400. They're sitting on billions of pension fund money, private wealth, that they need to ensure is always growing and is not devaluing. So they're like, where do we hedge it? Where do we hedge it? Where do we put it? And so they're always continuously looking for this. So, okay, back to Victoria, BC. What's going on in Victoria, BC? Honestly, we're an island. You can make more real estate here. Best option to buy here is house on land. Second option, townhouse. Third option, condo, as always. Rule, location, location, location. Favorite locations are Oak Bay, your Cordova Bay, your, anywhere along the water is great for investment. Even though with climate change, we don't know what's happening, but with climate change, that's a gradual, some say it's fast, some say it's gradual. It doesn't seem to affect the real estate market here too much for some reason, especially the waterfront property prices. So that's still moving, that's still growing on that front. So what I'm going to say to you all is give me a call, message me. I'm always available. I've had clients say, hey, I'll take you out for lunch. Can we talk? You don't even have to take me out for lunch. You can meet me at my office. All good. I'm all about helping others and giving them my honest opinion. I told one of my clients, based on your circumstance, develop this property, put something small on it, and look at selling it 3 years down the line and get it to subdivision mode rather than selling it. I'm subdivided. You're going to make that live. Why wouldn't you want to do that? So again, I've been giving a lot of advice, a lot of consulting with clients, also helping them sell their homes. I've got a team now, so if you need to buy or sell, we're working on that front too. I've also been helping clients in Dubai to diversify out of the Canadian market, which some clients have been wanting to do as well. So Dubai market as well, we've been moving there. Diversification is really important. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. But if you need a primary residence, or if you need an investment property, one at least, I definitely, hands down, I've sworn by it. It's not because I'm trying to sell this to you. You don't even need to use me. Honestly speaking, real estate is where it's at. It's never failed in the last hundreds and hundreds of years. So why would it fail you now, right? Honestly speaking, so I think I've been pretty straightforward with all of you. Sorry, I haven't done a video in a long time. It's been hectic, crazy busy for me. I've been all over the place, Dubai, here, other countries. So I just wanted to now touch base with all of you to, it's the summer busy market. I'm getting a lot of calls and a lot of, where are your videos now? So I just wanted to give you my update and my 2 cents. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have any questions, again, I'll drop my email below. Feel free to email me anytime. Always happy to help. Cheers, guys.